breakfast for Mr. David Comstock. Cook siya ng bacon. Bacon.
Yeah, football gym is on.
What?
Sunday, it's football Sunday.
Oh, football today?
Football, of course.
What time?
Gotta have football. From noon till 10 p.m.
Okay.
With a few breaks in between, but Bears at noon.
So you're gonna have 2 eggs, 3 bacon, and for Pat, 1 bacon. And okay na te. And 1 toast, Dave, right, Dave?
Okay, now tell me where I left my coffee cup.
It's right here.
Completely.
Oh, you didn't put your marshmallow yet?
No, I gotta. There must be in the other closet. I don't remember where I put them, but
Scrambled egg.
I'm using that material.
Ako na siya hindi hinante.
Breakfast essential. Half a bag.
Yeah, because my mom is leaving to Philippines. I have to see her
Yeah, it's
because she's gonna have her Christmas back home, New Year back home. Her 80th birthday is gonna be back home.
Okay, that's
So
my sister's. My baby sister is 80.
when
Of the 7 of us, she's the youngest.
when she's gonna be 80?
So she turned 80 in May. So,
Oh, next year.
no,
Last May.
that's why I make my joke. My baby sister who turned 80, there's just the 2 of us now.
Yeah.
David 87, Sandra 80. They live in South Belgium.
I'm sure they're not far from the casino, the Riverboat Casino.
That may not be in that, but you're right. That is a major one.
I always go there before, not to gamble, but to eat their buffet. I like their buffet because they have unlimited crab legs. Do it. No, it's my phone.
Oh, they didn't let in a fire.
No, I hope not.
No,
Better not.
the fire's up front. You had to factor that in when you were leaving it.
I have to dry the bacon is really fatty. I mean the grease is really thick. Dire na tulog te.
Gotta be careful here.
Okay. Three bacon
Yeah, sounds great.
and 2 toast.
I know I'm in the way still.
No, I'm gonna do it here because I saw
Okay.
an outlet there. I haven't seen
Yeah,
that before,
we
but
don't-
now I see it.
Just unplug that blue thing complete. No, it goes on the side if it's a 3-way. Yeah, I have to just line it up.
So it works.
Yeah. This particular case, you just leave it there.
That's a good one. I should buy like that for the Philippines. No way, if the front is full, I can just
Yeah, the
put it on the
3-way.
side.
Yeah. That's true. That's a 1, 2, 3 from 3 different directions. So you're right. That's not a flat 3-way. Sideways.
So, luto tayo ng 1 egg
Yeah, we cooked it last night, so it's on the
for my boss lady. You don't like strawberry lemon, strawberry
Yeah,
bread?
strawberry bread.
And I mean strawberry jam.
It's safe because it's seedless. So I go either way. And if the orange is lower, I can
Oh,
still do strawberry.
so tingnan nyo ang grease sa bacon. A lot of grease.
Okay,
A lot of
officially
grease.
started.
So I'm starting to cook. Yeah.
I must have heard you coming, huh? When I hear you coming, I pop out of your way.
Busy talaga ang umaga dito. It's always fun in the morning, right?
Yeah, finally.
Tapos
What?
ito ang gusto ng husband. Marmalade. Oh, I forgot to put this on the list.
No, that's okay.
Do you have a list?
Checking it twice. We already know you're naughty and not nice. That's a joke. You made it clear to your mother that I'm a joker.
Yep.
Okay.
I have to write this down because you don't have no more
Nothing.
nothing. So this is your breakfast.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna use the fish cubes. I do have to get
After use.
I had a plastic cup, but I don't have to have it.
Oh, not right here.
What are you doing? I meant a little. I don't need. Bring down the milk. I never give them samples of one of the wines.
Oh yeah.
And I got accused that the about 80-year-old woman there. My wife says, Davey, you always gotta bother the young women. She laughed and laughed.
Oh, you have a lot of plastic spoon. Now you
There are a
have.
couple of them. Yeah, there's 4 in here. Those
So
are-
ganito ang
they're
morning
little-
dito.
They're blueberry. Yeah, they're
It's
sweet, but
chaos.
At least they got blueberries
Blueberry cinnamon.
in they're called mini bites, B-I-T-E-S.
This is her.
There's 4 of them. Yeah. I heard a lot of voices.
Iba-iba din itong teko yung mga babae. Ito hindi ito lalagyan sa washer. I-air dry na daw para maano yung itabok. So, ilagay natin sa loob. Pasok natin sa loob. Silang 4. Pasok natin. Oh, asya naman sa iba. Tapos lagyan natin ng bounce. Nagustuhan ng asawa ko kasi tinatry ko doon sa aming negosyo. Pero mahal kasi. So nag-order lang ako ng 4 sa S&R. Hindi na nasundan kasi mahal. Hindi pwede sa negosyo. Meron palang option. No heat. So no heat for 20 seconds. 20 minutes. So, okay na. Di ba, while nagpakain tayo ng ating hapon. Yan, Ganyan. Para pang pahumog sa tae. Nagawa din siya ng kape. Napa? Naa. Ako na galing dito nga.